Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL? That is the $1,000,000 question I'm asking myself. Which one should I go with? I currently own the Pixel 2 XL, which I am recording this video with. Been happy with it for the most part. The battery life's been okay. It certainly seems that the Pixel 3 XL battery life is going to be great. And I would imagine as well the Pixel 3 should do very well as well. So wanted to know what you're going with. Now, if you're not aware, the Pixel 3 is a 5.5 inch screen versus the Pixel 3 XL is a 6.3 inch screen. So the specs, what's unique in this version is the specs are the same for both sizes. And in the past, and that was one of the reasons why I went always with the bigger screen, is the XL had always had better specs. So the only difference is you're going from, two different size screens, and the battery life for the Pixel 3 is 2915 milliamp battery versus 3430 milliamp battery. So that's the difference there. And weight-wise, it's 5.2 ounces for the Pixel 3 versus 6.5 ounces for the Pixel 3 XL. So all those things to keep in mind. Today I used to use it as like a belt clip. I don't use a belt clip anymore. I keep it in my pocket. So now you're starting to go with a 6.3 inch screen that gets pretty big in your pocket, and it's also more weight as well. So again, deciding if I should maybe this time, since the specs are the same, go with a 5.5 inch screen. But curious again which one you're going with, and if you've used both, what your thoughts are there. And the only difference as well is price-wise. It's $799 for the Pixel 3. It's $899 for the 3XL. So I look forward to reading your comments. I look forward to sharing which one I will be eventually ordering here, as well as sharing my experience with it. I'm really excited about some of the photo features that is certain, and seeing some of the videos now with the notch. Seems like you kind of can get used to it, but we'll see. And if you've also had a chance to use it, what are your thoughts regarding the notch there and how you've gotten used to it, or do you find it annoying and distracting? So leave your comments below, so not only will it help me, it can help others that may be deciding should they go with the Pixel 3 or the Pixel 3 XL. Alright, everybody, have a great day. Looking forward to reading your comments. Take care.